Welcome back, guys. This is our 3-month update of our layered coatings longevity test. You've heard me talk about how extremely hot this past month has been, with every single day over 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees, with some even hotter than that and very little rain. So these panels get extremely hot, enough to fry an egg on. So let's see if that has had any effect on any of these products. So we're going to do our usual foam the hood down using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse everything off to inspect the hydrophobic properties before drying things off. If you do have a minute, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and of course let me know in the comments if you have used any of the products seen here, or if you're rooting for any. As always, if there is a product you want to see tested, let me know that too, but make sure to check out my master spreadsheet in the video description to make sure I haven't already tested it before asking, as I do get a lot of that. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into it and see how things are holding up. First up, Griots 3-in-1. Ooh, got some changes here. 1 layer. Yeah, looks like we've got a failure there at only 3 months. Griots in previous tests with 2 layers expect to get 6, 8, or even longer, 6 or 8 months or even longer out of it. That's a failure. Two layers doesn't look too great either. I'm wondering if the heat had something to do with it, because we really haven't had a lot of rain and there's nothing else that's changed. Just really, really hot temperatures, record hot temperatures. The others, as far as 1 layer, 2 layers, I'm not seeing a whole lot of difference just yet. Nanobond Meguiar's, Avalon King, Sonax, New Finish, and Fuso, the PTFE version. Nothing really standing out other than it looks like this heat is getting to Griots. Maybe Sonax on the 3 layer, it looks a little bit different. I don't know. It's hard to tell on that one. Sonax doing some weird things on the 3 and 5 layer. Maybe the sweet spot is 1 or 2 layers on that one. That's kind of what we're after, finding out if that's gonna make any difference. But Griots, 1 layer, 3 months, 90 days. That's what we're getting out of it. The others aren't looking too hot either, as far as the 2, 3, and 5. So again, not to beat a dead horse, but it looks like the heat may have done Griots in. So there's your update, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Let me know in the comments anything about the Griots, your thoughts on that.